Hello, good evening, everybody. We are Divya School of Dance. So a little about Divya School of Dance. Divya School of Dance has been in Utah for the past 16 years and has accomplished over 500 performances at prominent institutions. Indian classical dances, Indian folk dances, and Bollywood dance routines are currently taught in 2 locations, South Jordan and Salt Lake City. For more information, please visit her website at divyaschoolofdance.com or connect through her Facebook page. Divya Narayanan, with over 25 years of expertise in the field, is an accomplished artist, choreographer, and teacher. She is also a triple scholar recipient in the Indian classical dances, Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, and in many folk dances of India, including Bollywood dance. She is also a national graded artist in India. Divya Narayanan will be presenting Bharatanatyam song in praise of Lord Krishna. Bharatanatyam is the oldest classical dance from south of India and is about 2,000 years old. A bhakta or devotee imagines Krishna as a little child as she calls out to him. She repeatedly imagines what it would be like if he were near her. She could dress him in finery, play with him, and hold him in her arms. She begs Krishna to come soon and reveal his beautiful face to her.
Krishna ni begane baro, Krishna ni begane baro, begane baro, mujhe gabane toro. Krishna ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗ